With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is restorative regeneration decrease with, and the options are increase in complexity of organization, decrease in organizational complexity, development of hormones, or development of nerves. First, we'll talk about what is restorative regeneration. So, the formation of new parts of the body which are lost due to injury or accident is known as restorative regeneration. So, restorative regeneration is the formation of a new body parts which are lost due to injury or any kind of accident. And this is major factor which refers to the restorative regeneration is how much complex the organization of that particular individual is. And the restorative regeneration capability is inversely proportional to the complexity of the organisms involved. Complex. Hence, if we see the options now, we have the first option as increase in complexity of organization. So, as it is inversely proportional, the restorative regeneration capacity decreases with increase in complexity. So, this option is correct. The second option is decrease in organizational complexity. So, with the decrease in organizational complexity, the restorative regeneration power increases and not decreases. And the third and the fourth option says about the development of hormones and nerves which are not an important factor for determining the restorative regeneration capability of an organism. Hence, we have the final answer as restorative regeneration decrease with increase in complexity of organization.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.